so that's it.
FU for the fill valve. Why is it giving you time?
Okay, can you unplug it now? It's definitely released.
Okay.
Get it in this mug. I definitely gotta get this out of here. Let's see what is how they did this. Oh man. Oh gosh. Good Lord, I'm gonna need my pliers.
Will these work? Regular?
Yeah, regular pressure.
Yeah, not bad.
And then the white's on top. Remember that.
What's on top?
White.
White.
There's no room in these things at all. My fingers or myself. Like, why you gonna put that behind there? Oh, you gotta be freaking kidding me. Oh, I swear to God, dude.
It's a bright light.
Yeah, it is. Fuck, really? Oh, you son of a bitch. Okay. Let's get this out, maybe. Come on, dude, really? My flathead, what I have? That flathead I had. There we go. There we go. Really? And then man, really? This is insane.
You twist it out with the pliers.
No. I gotta get up on her and pop it. I had a smaller screwdriver. That's what I need, is my smaller one. I mean, really, like, come on, there could be other ways to do this. This doesn't make sense.
Just a regular, they should have made the regular
Bigger
metal
clamp.
clamps.
Yeah, like why?
You just squeeze it with the pliers and
Yeah,
you're good
like-
to go. I don't know.
That's what I'm saying. Why do all this?
Do you think they know better?
That doesn't even make sense. The foreign stuff, dude.
Mm-hmm. $600 more to fix it.
Yeah. That's beyond me. I don't get it. I don't get some of their thought process. It's hot in here. There we go. Put that on down. Good Lord, now I gotta get the freaking hoses off. And graze on top. Good Lord. Can you, oh wait a minute. Can you hold that like that? Yeah. So I can see. Oh, come on. Blue is on the bottom, right? Blue bottom, white top.
Bottom, white top.